Governor Otti said the Abia state under his watch is a no-go area for terrorists, killers, kidnappers and other criminals. The governor has raised a 25 million bounty placed on the killers of 25 Bikaba Junction in Aba, the commercial hub of the state, to 30 million. The governor also accused rivals and people unhappy with his government of carrying the killings and plans to deal with the perpetrators.
This full information that will lead to the apprehension of the criminals who came here to terrorize us.
I've said that it's a complete setup. Watch out. It's different Igbo politicians.
Because they're putting on Ipob. They
put an up so that they give the dog a bad name. So that they can be able to kill the dog. That's what will happen to Ipob. It's a planned adventure. Look at how that is going. Now, it seems that Nigerian government, Nigerian armed forces are looking for a loophole to have a strong excuse to invent the Abia state, to interrupt the good work that alexotti is doing. And this is why I tell you before that alexotti was in deep blue sea, between deep blue sea and the devil. The way I see it, Fulani government of Nigeria, we are not happy. The development going on in Aba now, they are not happy as everybody is praising alexotti. Even the first Nigerian governors in Biafra land are not happy that alexotti is exposing them, their evil corruption by the good work he's doing. Like all those his predecessors in Abia state who left government house before him. He's trying to prove to them that they did no work, that they are investing the money, that they are corrupt, that they hate the people, that they govern for 24 years. That they govern for 24 years. They hate the people. So most of them will never feel happy. They will try to plan one thing or the other to blaspheme alexotti, to blaspheme Ipob, and to put Aba residents, Abia state residents into panic, so that there be confusion in Abia state, which may affect alexotti. Now, and that's it. As I said, Fulani government of Nigeria are not happy. Because look at it. alexotti is not doing their business. alexotti are trying to deliver the dividends of democracy to the people he's governing.
He's working for his people. He's seriously working.
People. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
So they may plan this thing as they plan a bubagun and send their machineries, send their agents to commit this type of unexpected acts, so that they can be able to penetrate in. And the alexotti is between the deep blue sea and the Satan. Why? Because if alexotti do not take time, they may do him what Obasanjo do to Alamesia. Alamesia has immunity as a governor, but Obasanjo use force, use arm, and plug him out of Bayelsa government house. That time they remove Alamesia. If you go to Bayelsa, it's just like war theater. Everywhere, soldier with arms, with the tanks, everywhere. That made the people not to make any move. And that will lead to the death of Alamesia. So if you watch it, it seems that it's what they want to do to alexotti now, through this thing that happened. They want now to take it to force alexotti to yield to their request, or they forcefully remove him. That is supporting terrorist group. He's supporting Ipob. He knows much about it, as I heard, but I never know that it's true. That Enugu governor is accusing alexotti now that he's aware. He followed masterminded the killing, but I never know what is true. But I'm hearing it in rumor. Have you understand? So Southeast or Fulani government of Nigeria governors they installed in Southeast we also put hand to make sure they tarnish alexotti and his good work in that area. Therefore, if I heard as alexotti is doing investigation to find out and he said that it's his political enemies is masterminded with the people that are under government. I may say yes. People may believe if you want the scenario, if what things are going, you understand? Why is it selected people, Igbos in Nigerian army that are killed? Why not other tribes to enter there? And if you watch the whole Abia said, that's the point. It's only where the military come out that very day. The whole Southeast, the whole Biafra land, comply, they sit at home. Both military, both police, everybody comply. And then alexotti give order. Nobody should come out. Allow people to do their own peacefully. And these 5 men came out. Doing what on that very day? There's no motor on the road, no one being on the road, even fly is not on the road. Then whom do you come for a checkpoint to checkmate? Whom did you come to checkmate? You will see that they use those 5 men as do what? A scapegoat. They use them as a trap. You can see what is going on. But it's only God knows the truth. Now, what happened in Abia State need to bring the independent investigators. Independent investigators, not Nigeria to investigate, not alexotti to investigate. Let them, if whatever it will take, let them bring foreign investigators to come and investigate know exactly what happened in Abia State. That is where we can find the truth out. You understand? But if you say Nigeria should go, they will tell us the story.
Okay, like the Nigerian military, they cannot be trusted because I think the Nigerian military and Otti, they are working hand in hand to get the perpetrator.
Anything that concerning Biafra or happen in Biafra land, you say anybody of government to go in, I don't trust them. They can give you any report. They can write anything off and give to you. I don't believe in them. Because they will do everything to protect themselves. You understand? Because they will never find themselves guilty. If we are the one, will you agree to find yourself guilty? If you are them, will you agree to investigate against yourself? No. Now look at it. Since that very day that thing happened, as we have heard from net, that over 300 civilians have been missed in Aba. Over 300 civilians. On whose account? For what cause? Are they the one that do the shooting? Are they the one on non-government? I said it before, that everybody is suspect. On non-government can be anybody. You don't see their face?
But some have come and said that it's a propaganda, say that there was nothing like that in Aba.
No, nothing like what?
Capturing of 300 civilians in Aba. Some people have come and said that it's a big lie.
The people that will say that is nothing like that are enemies of the truth. Have they investigated? Have they found out? They are government agents. From government of Nigeria agent. They are enemies of truth. They are enemies of light, and they remain in darkness. Let us say the truth. Let us say the truth. You see, as I am here, I don't support anybody that is doing evil. If it's an Igbo man do evil, I'll tell you that he did evil. No matter where he come from. But if you do right, I'll tell you that you do right. Do you know Fulani? That the Fulani are the best tribe to reckon with them. You do know why? They always protect their people. No matter the crime that the people committed, they always protect them. They always be at the side of their people. Have you seen Fulani man came out and condemn Fulani herdsmen? To this center, a Fulani man passed bill passing pushing bill in the Senate that cattle should have free movement. Cattle should have equal rights with human being. To show you that how they prefer their own more than other people, no matter the crime their own committed. You understand? If Igbo tribe or Igbo nation in Biafra can stand firmly with their people, as far as stand firmly with their people, Nnamdi will not have been there. We could have achieved Biafra. Okay, look at it. Who's Odema? Call himself Igbo man. Umaye, come say Igbo man. They are the one that the Fulani bought, using them against their people, killing their people. The Fulani man cannot do so. You cannot buy Fulani man over to kill his own Fulani man. No matter how evil that Fulani man is, they never agree. You see, that's why, you see how they look like they are more corporate, they are more coordinated than other tribes. For that area, they are good. No matter the crime they committed, they are good in that area. Protecting themselves, working towards the future of their generation, upcoming generation. Look at it.
Just like Mitiala was freed last week. Mitiala.
Badejo were free.
Free, yeah, last week.
And all those charges against him were cancelled. And Nnamdi Kanu was there.
He's still there.
Nnamdi Kanu is still there. Chief Priest of Kubanu. That one. But tell that the problem in East are caused by East. That's why he run away from East. The problem in Igbo land, as if it's not Igbo land. As if not contributed into that problem. The one that called himself for Hannes General President General, that Iwanyahu, hippopotamus, shapeless man.
He has got to see President Tinubu as regards Nnamdi Kanu issue.
That one is to cover up because I have seen the handwriting on the wall. You not to pretend this so that you don't be hot onto him personally. It's for the own personal interest to be protected. Eh? They were there languishing. And is it not his organization, Igbo Fulani slaves? I don't know that place bond on someone to bring him back home. By all means, $100,000 to bring him back home. By all means. Can Mienti Allah, can Fulani do that? Eh? They know how to protect their people. If Igbo people, Igbo elites can be able to stand, Biafra could be able to achieve. Other tribe or nationality in Biafra are not the problem of Biafra. Even Igbos in Delta, Igbos in Rivers are not the problem. But the problem is Igbos in Imo, Igbos in Abia, Igbos in Ebonyi, Igbos in Anambra, Igbos in Enugu. Their leader, so-called political leader, Rotten Ohaneze, they are done at the problem of Biafra and the problem of Nnamdi Kanu. You see? So I don't hate any tribe. I'm not against anybody. But when you do the wrong thing, I'll tell you you do the wrong thing. When you do the good, I'll tell you you do the good one. They are fighting for president to be president of Nigeria. That they can never be until this will come to an end. Igbo man can never be a president of Nigeria. Because how can they trust you? If you can betray yourself, you still betray entire Nigeria when you get up there. They don't know that the role Igbo politicians are playing. The sell-off of Nnamdi Kanu and the IPOB, the selling off of the struggle to restore Biafra. We made these people not to trust you. No matter what you do, they will not trust you. They will say, if you can do this to your own self, which means if you enter there, you will sell Nigeria and put the money in your pocket because you love money. Because you love money. They never trust you. Okay, look at it. Igbo man want to rule Nigeria. Igbo man want to rule Nigeria. Ordinary Senate president that were assigned to them for good 8 years, Obasanjo was there. Igbo produced 5 senators within 8 years. They say bless that seat. They say bless that seat. That seat wasn't suitable. This one will rise up. In brother will counterize him, work against him, bring him down, and enter there another person will rise up, counterize him, bring him down. If it's not that David Mark return and become a Senate president, that Senate president will have been totally trashed if you leave Igbo man there. Is it how they will take to be a president of Nigeria? Without this thing, Nigeria will never trust them. And they're forcing themselves to be a president they cannot be. This is why the whipping governor, whipping senator, that the baby whipping senator, Oji Sokalo, did everything he did. They refused to give him Senate president. That's one of it. Rather, they say, okay, let us do this. As this so-called South cannot get it, let us give it to their brother, South. They put Akpabio there. They put Akpabio there.
The figurehead.
Whether figurehead or no figurehead. But that seat was suitable for 1 year now. Not that when so-called wise men, where they are the most non-entity in Nigeria politics, when they sit there for 8 years and produce 5 Senate presidents in one administration. Not that dead, they are alive. This was the rise up and bossing brother, betraying brother, collect money, share to other senators until they remove that in brother, he enter. And that one will rise up the same thing. You see, this is the problem we are having in Biafra land. Wolves in a sheep clothing, claiming they are leading, they are sheep. A leader that know how to make the cow, but they don't know how to feed the cow. That's what Igbo politicians and elites are. They know how to milk the cow, but they don't know how to feed the cow. How much for to defend the cow? That's their own. May God have mercy on Igbo man in Jesus' name. May God save